Pranamami sada Prabhupadupadam Pranamami sada Prabhupadupadam. If you are going to take dust particle from the lotus feet of Guru Vaishnava, in Chaitanya Charitamrita already written, Uchishta Prasadam of Guru Vaishnava, water was of the lotus feet of Guru Vaishnava and the dust particles, Bhakta Bhukta Avashesh, Bhakta Pada Jal, Bhakta Pada Renu, Tin Bhajaner Ball. These three are huge, powerful, can give you immense power. All anartha can go away and you can get the chance to understand the glories of Sri Krishna. I mean, you can start seva. Our Ruhu Ganesh, same thing in 5th canto. Ruhu Ganesh tattapasana yati nachit jaya nirvapanat gihatva na chandasa noiva jalagni surjoir bina mahatpadarajovisekam. O Ruhugan, Bhagavan cannot be known by any amount of austerities of penances. Same thing Mahaprabhu speaking to Suklambar Brahmachari. What do you think? You are drinking milk, so you think you can get the kippa of Bhagavan? What do you think? Mahaprabhu speaking to Suklambar, even those Asura, they are also doing austerian penance. So what? Asura top kare, tahi kiba fall. Hiranyakasipu doing tapasya, na bhutam, na bhavishwati. So, this way Mahaprabhu chiding. He wanted to chastise this, Suklambar Brahmachari. You think you are drinking milk, you are doing austerian penances, so you can get kippa of Bhagavan, take darshan of Bhagavan? What do you think? Oh Ruhugan, Bhagavan cannot be known by any amount of austerities of penance, or by worship, or by giving one's home, going to leave home, want to enter into renounce order, nor indeed by living or by leading household life. Nothing. No way. You cannot get a kippa. Ruhu ganestat tapasana yati na chejjaya nirvapanat grihadva na chandasa noiva jalagni surjoi na chandasa. Bhagavan, he cannot be known by reciting simply Vedas, nor by worshipping the demigods like sun god, moon god, water, Jal Devata, Varun Dev, Surya Dev. Follow. There is only a single chance. There is the only way open. As long as one does not get the scope to take dust particle from the lotus feet of pure Guru Vaishnava, great saintly devotees, till then one cannot achieve any result from all those other activities of bhajan. They can try their best, but surely they can come out successful. This way one cannot maximum up to sattvic level. They can even go up to the level of pure sattvic. Okay, still, pure sattvic level they can go. Everybody speaking is very nice devotee, great devotee, is there. So rules and regulations, so purity is maintained, all okay. But still, without the kippa of pure Guru Vaishnava, on those ancient days, primitive, very long ago, primitive, those forest men, they used to discover fire. After that, they used to protect fire in some place, because by the help of fire, they used to take so many advantage. This way, one contact of fire is 100% necessary. Maybe condition is very favorable, you are sattvic so high, you can sadhai, adhai, nirodhai, you are doing everything. But still, without getting a source of fire, spiritual fire, how you can ignite? How you can get spiritual fire inside your heart? Follow. What we can expect from pure Guru Vaishnava? You cannot expect a nice piece of lecture from Guru Vaishnava because they are not professor, lecturer. You cannot expect nice of language from them because they are not linguists. Then what you can expect from them? The direct feeling of seva. They already have inside their heart. That we can expect from Guru Vaishnava. They can give a spark so that I can also, ignite. Spiritual fire can take place inside my heart. Loveful fire of seva. Seva mood.